How to change country in Google Play Store. So if you want to change the country in Google Play Store, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google Play Store application. Once you open up your Play Store, you need to go with the profile, which is on the top right, and tap on payments and subscriptions. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now under this, you need to go with the payment methods. Under payment methods, you need to go with more payment methods or just add a credit or your debit card. So go with add payment method, add your payment method. After adding your payment methods, you will have an option to change your country. Once you've added the payment method, you just need to simply go with your Google and search for pay.google.com. And once you're here, if you've added a payment method, then you will have an option to change your country. You will have a globe-shaped icon, and on the right side, you will have a pencil-shaped icon. You just need to simply go with the details, and you'll be able to change your country or your region. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.